When three consonants get together, they make a gang. A gang of three. Skr. Eam. Scream. Finding a gang of three in a word helps you break it into smaller chunks, making it easier to read and spell. Here are some more consonants that make a gang of three. O. Throw. Ing. Spring. Ink. Shrink. Ong. Strong. Ash. Splash. There are 6 different gangs to look out for. Spr. Shra. Scr. Str. Spl. We're the toughest gang of three round here.
No, you're not. We're tougher than you.
We're the toughest gang over here.
No, we are. We're the toughest.
So watch out for the gang of three. They can help you break words into smaller chunks.